Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss how to backup the Tally data in your Tally ERP9 software, as well as we are also going to discuss how to restore the backup in your Tally ERP9 software. For the purpose of this, you have to select your company. So I am just selecting my company from my company information tab. Select company Tally Tutorial Private Limited. Now I have to press F3 company information, or I just press Alt plus F3 from my keyboard. Here in a company information window, you will find the backup option. Just select on a backup option. The backup option window will appear. Here you will find that select the company to backup. This is the source part from which I want to backup my data. So this is the source part where my company data is saved. So I want to backup from this part. This is my destination part where my backup is saved. So I have to write my source as well as destination part. Here I have to select my company. Suppose I am selecting XYZ Private Limited, 1st April 2017. I am again selecting Tally Tutorial Private Limited, 1st April 2018. You can select any number of company from your list of a company. As and when you select all the company, just press end of the list. It will ask you whether accept, just press yes, or just press enter. As and when you press enter, if already backup is appear in that folder, that is D drive Tally ERP Tally data backup folder, then it will ask for a overwrite backup file. Then you just press yes or no as per your choice. If you press no, then your backup will be cancelled. If you press yes, then your backup will be done. Now I will show you the folder of Tally backup. This is my D drive Tally backup folder. This is my destination folder. You will see that we have made backup on 6:06 p.m. This is appearing the backup for my two company. 19 May 2020, 6:06 p.m. two company backup I have made. Now suppose I want to restore any company from my backup file, then how can I restore? Just press F3 from your right hand side, or just press Alt plus F3 from your keyboard. You will find the company information window in which you have a one button called restore. Just click on the restore. You will find the select company to restore. Here there is a destination part from which to which you want to restore your Tally data. This is the destination part to which you want to save your Tally data. On this part your data will be restored. This is the part, source part. So my source part is Tally data backup. This is my list of a company. Suppose I am selecting here company VSVS. I just press enter. I am selecting end of list. It will ask me accept yes or no. I just press yes or press enter. My restore is done. Now I am going to select my company. You will find that VSVS company is already restored in my company. So you can work in this company now. So in this way you can make use of a backup as well as a restore function in your Tally ERP9 software. If you like our video, then please share our video to your friends and your colleagues. Please subscribe our channel for Tally learning as well as the GST concept as well as the income tax concept. In the next video, we will discuss another features about Tally. Thank you.